Hey, another example of one of our custom built engines. Here we got a nice big block blower motor. It's a 502 blower, made over 800 horsepower, dual Holley carburetor sitting on top of a DDS blower, 871 this is, low compression engine. And again, this is what custom built is. This customer happened to choose black all the way around. Just runs fantastic. When you fire it up, it idles great. And this is what happens when you pick a company that knows how to build all kinds of engines. Our years of experience exceeds many, many people. So again, put your trust in the hands and we'll build you something that you won't believe. Thank you. Check us out. Starts right up nice. Right, you got your idling down real nice. Awesome. I say,
That's 502, huh?